Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 FXS NA integrated ZF7.2. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 FXS with 11,196 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a carbon fiber front fender. Powered by a ZF7.2 kilowatt battery, the FXS puts 46 horsepower and 78 foot-pounds of torque through an automatic transmission. The FXS takes about 9 hours to fully charge, but has a 102-mile range. It has a 34.7-inch seat height and a 247-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's front tire tread depth at 8/30 seconds and the rear at 10/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the gauge cluster bracket and scrapes on the upper fairing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.